Hi guys, we're at West Dyke Station level crossing in Yorkshire with AJR trains. That alarm's louder. Yeah, the other alarm's a lot quieter. Fast. Closed. The other one is anyways. And closed. There we go. Now, the time's gone a lot quicker than what I thought. The time is 11:41, Saturday the 2nd of April, and 2016. This is for your, oh god, I went forward now to see what the next ones were after that. This is for your 11, trust me with the times, 11:42, 2 Delta 21 Northern service from Saltburn to Darlington, expected a departure 11:43 and expected arrival 11:42 as it says. Yeah. I wonder why that alarm's got so loud. Like, oh, they've changed the name of it now, Dad. It's now called Redcar Station Level Crossing. Last time we came, it was the crossing was called West Dyke Level Crossing. So it has two names, but it's up to you what you call it there. Yeah, it's coming up from Church Lane. Faulty lamp close, open, set and stuff like that. I'm not going to get the number, I know it. Oh no, 142090. 142090 and I need to get a good one. It looks like Boston like this if you just look at the lights. Okay, and then the next one's a double pass. Open they go. Yeah, that the back of that. These gates are so slow. They need to make them faster. See, even they're agreeing. Even the cyclists are agreeing. And 10 years later, that's gone slow. Open and open. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.